Hey guys, it's editing me here. It's currently late on a Friday night and I've been editing today's video. However, I found out that I forgot to record an intro and an outro. So you're going to be watching an unboxing of a HOMFUN package from AliExpress. So let's get into the video. Let's get into opening this package. It should have a Tinkerbell diamond painting inside, so let's see if it's anything like I ordered. Immediately I pull out the canvas and everything. So first it comes with a toolkit. It has the bendy tweezers. They are not very sharp but also not very dull, and it has it looks like a 3D printed boat. I think it's a bit bigger than the normals, yes. So left one is a fairly standard size. Right one is the one I received with the kit, which has some nice features because it is rounded at the top. So if you shake it, even at the top, it will sit there nicely instead of just piling up. So it's nice. It comes with a 3-placer, a standard pink pen, some baggies and a big plate of wax. It is very sticky. It leaves a waxy residue on my hands. I don't think I like this wax so much. So let's look at the painting itself. I ordered a Tinkerbell diamond painting. It is a 30 by 45 centimeters square diamond painting, and as you can see, it is a double-sided adhesive canvas, and so far it looks really good. I don't see any rivers. Canvas is nice. The only thing is it will not lay flat, but it will if you give it some time to rest. Alternatively, you could do what I'm doing right now, is peel back a large portion and then smooth it out from the top down as to avoid getting any creases. And as you can see, the bottom part lies very flat already. Now let's get into the top part. So it looks very flat, so I'm going to peel back the paper again to look at the canvas. You can see that it's Tinkerbell. You can see the contours like her wings, her head, but the print is not very colorful, so it might make it hard to distinguish between different symbols. I can see, for example, there's an E and an F very close. They both look basically white. The only really hint or pops of color are those pinkish colors, and here in her eyes they are pretty blue, some light, very light yellow up top. But other than that, it's not very clear. All those F's in here are all pure white. They are 5200 as I can see. I do see that it's in DMC order on here, and it's also all symbols are alphanumerical. It's all capital letters as far as I can see. The only thing is that it is not in order, so you go from F to 4 to T to J to Z, so it's all over the place. But the quality actually looks nice, and the symbols are printed quite clearly, so it's easy to distinguish between two symbols, even though the background color is very much alike. I can imagine you would use a light pad with this, because if you're painting late at night and you need to distinguish between those E's and F's, it might be a bit more of a hassle to get through them, but they look very nice. So let's look at the drills. Immediately I see an inventory sheet with quite a few diamonds on top actually, so I'm worried there might be a bad at first, so let's hope that's not the case, but we'll see. So I've opened the package. So I'm going to check off and see if everything's there. So this one is fully complete. So that's nice. I think I paid like 10 euros for it. Not that much. No shipping. Was delivered in a few weeks. So I'm pretty pleased with what I got. And I think I will be kitting this up pretty soon as well. So yeah, that was it. All in all, I think this is a pretty good thing. So it's editing me again. I hope you liked the video you just watched. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos. And please comment down below what you think of this package. If you like the image, if you have ordered anything from HOMFUN before, I'm curious to see what you think of it. But for now, everyone, have a nice day. Bye!